Managing media can get messy fast, especially when you're dealing with lots of files across different projects. In this video, I'll show you how to use the folder management inside of HighLevel Media Storage to organize, move, and manage your files more efficiently. For example, instead of digging through hundreds of files, you can structure everything into folders, move entire groups at once, and keep your media organized as you scale. Let's take a look at how it works. Inside your HighLevel sub account, if you make your way over to Media Storage on the left-hand side, you'll see at the top here, we can jump between the different media options. Things like viewing your own media, viewing backgrounds, searching media inside of Unsplash or Pixabay, which is a stock media platform already integrated into your account, where you can search for any type of media at the top here. In this case, if I search dogs, you'll see it will pull a list of pictures. This makes it super quick to add these images across your assets like your funnels and websites. You will also see right at the top here, we can even toggle down to Canva. If you want to view your Canva media, make sure you first connect your account in the top corner over here. Just click on Connect Canva. It will ask you to sign in and allow access. You will also see right next to Canva that we can also connect our Google Drive. It will be exactly the same process. Just click on it, sign into the right account, and your drive will be connected. Below that, we can also search by the media name. So let's say we're searching for a specific file. We can just type in the name to find the media. Right next to that, we can also change the order of the results, such as organizing it from A to Z, from Z to A, then the smallest first, the largest first, the newest first, as well as the oldest first. Then right next to that, we can also select the media that we want to show. If we only want to see photos, videos, audio, docs, or other, just choose it and it will automatically refresh. Next to that, we can also show the media via a list view. And right above that, we can also create images using AI. Once you click on it, just describe your prompts, select the number of variations, and choose your image style. If you want to see more styles, click on See All, and you'll have a couple more styles to choose from. Right next to Creating with AI, we can also add folders. So click the button, name your folder, and attach the media inside of it. Next to that, we have the Upload button. You can upload individual files, upload folders, or even upload from a URL. And then finally, right next to that, we have three dots. This is the place that we can view your trash folder as well as your storage. When you click on trash, you'll see all the media inside your bin. And that's how you can use folder management inside of HighLevel Media Storage to organize, manage, and scale your media more efficiently. If you want to learn more about this feature and others like it, head over to the Content Army YouTube playlist, the Help Docs, or the Did You Know blog. The links will be in the description below. That's it for this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.